why are you using your MRP? Just remove everything. Remove everything and jump to the next best solution ever for managing your supply chain, DDMRP. Hey, DDMRP champions! Hey. Woo! Stop managing chaos! Hey, DDMRP champions! I'm here in Chicago, USA! In this PROMAT event with thousands of exhibitors, with more than 60,000 of visitors, I found something very interesting in this huge facility. Go, have a look. Let's go there. It's down, huh? Now starts the interesting thing. Guess what is that? Look, and you've got hundreds, tens of them. Look, all that. Guess what it is? This box. All that. What is it? Guess what is it? You've got an idea? Let's find out all together. So, this is the reflection of the past. This is something that was used in the past. Are you using past situation? Let's go and have a look. Here we've got the answer. This is a telephone. Are you still using this telephone? Come on, ready? Guess what? I'm sure you are using this telephone, not these ones. You are using your cell phone now. So why are you using your MRP? MRP is this kind of things, this kind of remember for the past. And you saw, they just removed the telephone from the wall, but they kept the structure. Just remove everything. Remove everything and jump to the next best solution ever for managing your supply chain, DDMRP. Think about that and stop managing chaos.